Hello everyone. So today we are scanning a broken part which is actually a part from an armrest in a car, but this part is actually not manufactured anymore in the market. So that is why with the help of 3D scanning we will scan it, do reverse engineering and reproduce it for the market. And for that purpose I'm using our best-in-class metrology scanner, FreeScan Combo, which has infrared and laser scanning mode both, and can reach up to 20 microns accuracy. So now let's begin with the scanning. For that I will scan the upper part and then the lower part, and then I can combine both parts as a complete 3D model in our software. So now we create a second project in the software to scan it from the other side with the same scan settings. So here you can see in the software both projects are aligned, so we can go next, exit, and we have complete model here, which we can export in an STL file and then do reverse engineering with the help of the software quick surface.